Good morning, children. Welcome to class for Moral Science. What we have learned in the previous class? I have explained the question answers and true or false of chapter 4. Have faith in God. Right? And I told you to write all the question answers and true or false in copy. I hope all of you have done this in copy. And there is one more homework. Page number 16. Take out your page number 16. Name 4 people you trust very much. Give one reason each why you trust them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are given there. What you have to write? You write the name of any 4 people you trust very much. What is the meaning of trust? Faith or Vishwas, that you call in Hindi Vishwas. Okay. So, those who trust very much, those whom you trust very much, write the name of those 4 people here and write a reason in one sentence. For example, if I am writing my mother's name or father's name or my best friend's name or my grandfather or grandmother, any name I am writing here, then what will I write the reason for that? First name I have written my mother's name. Okay. So why I trust my mother? Because she loves us, cares us very much, and she will not harm to us, or she will not create any difficulties to me. Okay, that is the reason that I have trust in my mother. Clear? Any one sentence you write. So like that you have to write your father's name, any name, any friend's name or any other's name, any other relative's name you can write, but you have to whom you have trust. Okay, very much, trust very much. Understood all of you? Don't do in copy this, only in book. Page number 16, only in book. This page, these lines you have to write the name of any 4 people and write why you have trust in them. Okay. Then next page number 17. Cut out and paste 3 pictures showing trust or faith in others. So 3 pictures, 3 columns are given there, 3 spaces are given there, and in that space you have to draw 3 pictures or cut and paste 3 pictures. That shows what? That shows trust or faith. Okay. The pictures that shows trust or faith. Any picture you can draw. God's picture you can draw, or we are praying to God because of we have trust in, because of the trust. Okay, because of the faith that we have in Him. So that picture you can draw, any picture you can draw, any 3 picture, but that shows the faith or trust. Okay, that any 3 picture you can draw or paste, cut and paste the picture here in page number 17. Understood? So this page number 16 and page number 17 homework you do only in book. Don't do in copy. Clear? Okay. So the next lesson is chapter 5. So today we are going to learn about the next lesson, chapter 5, true friendship. Chapter 5, true friendship. All of you take out your page number 18. Chapter 5, true friendship. What is meant by friendship? You have a friendship day, no? That day you tie your friendship band with others, no? Your friends, no? What is friendship? It's a relation with our friends, no? With our true friends. So what is meant by true friends? True friendship, real friendship. Who is the real friend? That we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay. So we know that all of us have friends. We can say that without a friend we cannot live. We have so many things to share with our friends, our happiness, our sorrows, and other incidents. No, now we are at home. That is why we are all not happy because we cannot see our friends. No. So friends influence us very much. We need friends to play with them, to fight with them, to study with them, to talk with them. Okay. So we share what we have with our friend. Friends share our sorrows and joys. Friends are a part of our life. It is difficult to think of a life without friends. So we need a friend. If we have happy moments that we share with our friends, that increase our happiness. Now, at the same time, if we have sorrow, that also we share with our friends. So it will decrease. If our friend is a real friend, our friend can decrease the sorrow. Okay. So in that way, we need a friend. Some people have more friends, many friends, but some people have one or two friends. Anyway, we should have a friends. Okay. So there are two type of friends, good friends and bad friends. The good friends are loving, sincere and loyal, and they avoid every evil. Evil means bad situation. They are selfless and are ready to make sacrifices for their friends. So the good friends are selfless and they are ready to make any sacrifices for their friends. That means dedicated. They dedicated their life to their friends. But bad friends are not like that. They are not sincere. They are selfish. They speak of bad things. They speak ill of others and they tell lies and are dishonest. They are not honest, but they are dishonest. Who? Bad friends. Okay. So we should be careful. When we choose our friends, we should be careful. When we select our friends, we should be careful. So we have to select only good friends. If we understand the friends are not good or bad, we have to avoid them slowly. Understand? So a friend in need is a friend indeed. Every friendship is not a true friendship. A friendship becomes a true friendship only when the friends are good and sincere. Only such a friendship will last. Good friendship will last, bad friendship will not last. Okay, understand this? True friendship. So we need a friends, but when we select the friends, we should be careful. We should select only good friends. Good friends make our life happy, but bad friends will ruin our life. That means destroy our life. So don't be company with bad friends. Always be in a company with a good friend. Okay. So here is a story. That story I will explain next class. Now you read this true friendship till here and do the homework in book only. Page number 16 and page number 17. Clear all of you? Bye.